First things first, let me be the first one to congratulate you on creating of your channel. You have pleased if you have done everything that we talked about in the previous section. If you haven't, I highly suggest you to do that because it will help you to keep up, and keeping up is important here. In this lecture, we're going to be talking about how to actually plan your content strategy, and we're going to be talking about some of the techniques that I use to plan my content, and this will help you as well. Now that you have created your channel and you have clearly defined niche, at least you should by now, you need to define your content goals and objectives. What does it mean? Who you want to reach with your audience? You want to reach far and wide, as many people as possible. You want to reach out to newer audiences, and that will be always true if you have a newer channel, or if you already have some people watching you. Do you want to reach them? Do you want to focus more on your already existing audience? Now, this is very important to define while you're creating your videos, because the videos that you're reaching newer audiences can be a little bit different than the videos that are focused more on returning audiences, and they have a little bit of different goals. If you're trying to reach your newer audiences, you're free to experiment with different formats and different types of videos. But if you're reaching your already existing audience, that means that you need to check out what videos people are watching on your channel and double down on those and create the similar types of videos. But how to actually research different content ideas and where you can find and see the trends? Well, that's actually not very difficult. First things first, you can do it on YouTube itself. Just see what your competitors are doing and see what they're focusing on and see if they get any traction or not. And if it is, that means the topic is trendy and you can focus on that. If there is nothing like that, if the competitors do not have anything that different, then you can use other tools like Google Trends. You're gonna go to Google Trends, you'll be able to see all the trending topics and all the rising topics. And also, you can search different topics and see how they are performing right now. You can see whether they're trending upwards or they have reached their peak long ago, or they're trending downwards, or everything all in all of an existence of YouTube and Google. And yes, you can focus separately on a YouTube search in Google Trends. Also, one neat trick there, you can actually compare different topics to see how they're trending against each other. So for example, if you have a gaming channel and you want to see which game is more popular right now, you can use Google Trends for that. And also, what's very important, Google Trends actually shows you the popularity by the countries as well. So if you're focusing on separate and specific countries, you can use the Google Trends data for that. Just write down all those different topic ideas and then choose the ones that you feel like will get the most views or just reach the most audiences that you want to reach right now. And after that, I would suggest you to create a content calendar. Now, calendar in itself does not have a huge power. Well, it's just setting dates to create different videos. That's it. But in reality, it's actually far more powerful. By setting up a content calendar, you're actually giving yourself deadlines. And by giving yourself deadlines, you see clearly where you are in your journey. Like for example, if you have a once a week upload schedule, you choose one day where you upload the video and you create deadlines for yourself to upload those videos every single week, no matter what. And contrary to the popular belief, this is more for you than for your viewers. Yes, a lot of YouTube creators and a lot of trainers are telling you, oh, you need to be consistent because people are expecting videos from you. But in reality, absolute majority will not be waiting anything from you, especially if you're a beginner. And this content calendar and this consistency rule is important for you to create a portfolio of videos and also different data points for you to measure how popular different topics are with your audiences. So in absolute reality, this consistency trick or this consistency rule is not for your viewers, it is for you. Even that's not all, of course, with the content creation. There's much more to that as well. See, when you research different trends, you are more working on the trending topics, but this is not an only type of videos that you can create. You can actually create an evergreen videos as well. Now, what many people will be telling you that you need to focus on a high search volume keywords with a very low competition and things like that in order to succeed on YouTube. And that is a bunch of BS. You need to focus on high search volume keywords, but also that are highly relevant for your channel. Like for example, if you have a channel that reviews microphones, doesn't mean Face or Faceless, you will also quickly find out there are many videos talking about the best microphones or how to choose different microphones or explaining different parts of microphones. And with all their mentality that a lot of people will be teaching you, you should not be making any videos about that because there will be too big of a competition. In reality, it's again BS. You not just should create this type of video, you must create this type of videos because this will be considered as an evergreen and core content. This will be the type of the videos that will be viable for years to come and will will generate you views from there. And these videos will have one unique trait that no other video will have. It will be your touch. Yes, you will not be there, but you will be putting your knowledge there, or you will be putting your AI's knowledge there with your touches. And this makes it different from everyone else. And with the correct usage of AI, in this case InVideo AI, you will be able to craft videos that will be irresistible. Also, you will have one other advantage. Your video will be much newer than all those old boars that you are trying to compete against. And video age actually matters. We're gonna be discussing this a little bit more in an SEO part, but telling you right now, video's age matters quite a lot. So in the beginning of your channel's journey, I would suggest you to create the videos that you know will be beneficial for your viewers. Those general topics, those general videos that will be explained by you in a bit of different way because it's explained by you. Well, not directly by you, you will write a script for that AI will be talking. And also where video AI will be putting a B-roll footage over it. So yeah, in order to plan your content strategy, you need to do these things. And this is summing everything that we said in this lecture. First, focus on goals and objectives of your content. Then view different trends in your similar niches. Then check trends with Google Trends tool. Plan your evergreen content as well and create a content calendar with a consistent schedule for yourself, not for anyone else, only for yourself. And in the next lecture, we're actually gonna start using InVideo AI to start writing our first scripts. So I'm gonna see you in the next lecture. Take care.